What's up, folks, and welcome back. I am GT, and this is yet another episode, except it's a little bit different. We're going to add a new segment to this show. This is something we've done several times, but I kind of want to make it an official reoccurring thing. So this is officially the very first episode of the GT&T show. Now, I am GT, and my co-host is the infamous, the one and only Thomas, aka T.
Hey, what's up, folks?
For this very first episode, we are going to go to Fairfield Lake State Park and do a little camping, fishing, and bike riding. Stay tuned for that. Peace out. Oh, there's a sign. What does it say, son?
Fairfield State Park.
Yeah. The headquarters. Eagles. Wood. Thomas. It's pretty so far, isn't it?
Well, we made it. We're here. It was a while finding the place, but we got it pretty good right by the lake.
Look at that view, is awesome. That's what we're gonna wake up to in the morning, bud.
Wake up to you.
Oh. So what we gotta do now?
We got number 72. We're gonna put up a stick.
All right. Well, we made it. We got a little later start than we wanted to. We got all the way to drop the puppy off, and I forgot the keys. So we drove all the way back home and got the keys, went back, dropped the puppy off, but we made it. And we got bushes on that side, bushes on that side. There's not a lot of people up here, but this is the greatest thing. Check this out. Look at that. We are right here on it. So cool. You look like a little Opie Taylor.
What?
A little Opie Taylor walking up here to go fishing. An 8 by 11 foot tarp that is going to work great in case it does rain in the middle of the night. We need to get out, or we have a place to sit underneath it. But let's see what's going on inside here. What you doing there? Reading a book. So we didn't bring any electronics on this trip, did we?
No.
Why not?
Because to focus on bonding thing, you know, yes.
That's right. We're just hanging out, taking in nature. Now, eventually we'll get some window shades to go in here, but it's kind of nice with the light coming in right now. What do you think?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
But Thomas is going to sleep on that side, and I'm going to sleep on this side with the infamous Yoda sleep pad. Sleeping bags, but you can't see it with the glare in the window. But when we wake up in the morning and look outside, that is what we're going to be looking at. Man, that's beautiful. So, like I said, we're at 72. Nice, big, paved driveway. Everything's level, so the Suburban works out great. But we got the Cruisers and Thomas's bike. We're gonna ride around a little bit later. We did some fishing earlier. Not the Suburban power. I'm gonna work for some way to get the power through into the Suburban without having to go through the vent window. Our tarp, little table, got the chairs and the fire pit set up. Got our wood. It's hot out here, but we're gonna do it. And then our little camp grill. That's something new. We're gonna try that out, see how it works. Well, the sun is setting. We got a few more minutes of light, and what we're gonna try to do is get our dinner on. You can see the sun going down over there. Look, Thomas coming out of the Suburban. He's been in there most of the afternoon. Why were you in the Suburban most of the afternoon?
My ear was hurting.
Ear was hurting. That's a bummer, because you never know what we're gonna do. Every time you might get a little sick here and there, but we got the chair set up. Got some firewood. We bought a little more firewood. I know I live in East Texas around a bunch of woods, but I forgot to bring wood, and we forgot a lot of stuff. We were super late this morning, but that's the thing, is it's a trial and error, and we are just figuring this out. First run, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna figure it out. But right now, we're about to take our awesome little $19 little stove grill, and we'll make some hot dogs.
And in the morning, ruin it.
Yeah, we may ruin it in the morning. We're not sure yet.
Hey folks, we're having hot dogs. We grilled them, onion, Funyuns, Cokes, just all classic stuff.
So we're eating dinner, and we hear this rustling. Look at that guy. Look at him. How cool is that? Armadillo. So, recap of today. You want another one?
Yes, sir.
So far, what are your thoughts?
I like it.
I hated we got such a late start this morning.
Mm-hmm.
But we know now that next time...
Set an earlier alarm.
Not really the alarm, we were just ill-prepared.
Yeah. That was bad.
I like mustard. He likes ketchup.
Yeah, mustard's bad.
Mustard's way better than ketchup.
Oh, come on. Ketchup's bad.
Ketchup's horrible. And then later, as soon as we get the fire started, we're going to do some s'mores. I'm not going to do any s'mores. I may have one s'more.
Yeah.
He likes s'mores.
But for the s'mores, not any regular Hershey's bars. We're having cream and cookies.
Cookies and cream and the regular chocolate.
Wait, you got regular chocolate too?
I got both of them.
Oh. Didn't know that.
But so far, today, this is the first day we've been camping. We still have to figure out the night. But day-wise, we got here... By the time we got our campsite picked out, it was about 3 o'clock.
Mm-hmm, yeah.
And since then, we went and fished a little bit. It's kind of hot. And then Thomas had a little bit of an earache, so we came back. He laid and took a little kind of nap and read in the truck. And then we went bike riding. That was super fun. We got the awning set up. And now we've grilled hot dogs. So not a whole lot of time we've done out, but it's been super chill and relaxed.
Yeah, it's been super fun. But then it's about to come to the sleeping, and that's where it might all fall apart, you know?
It might fall apart, yeah.
Yeah. Pros and cons of camping?
So far, because we forgot the pan to do the eggs and bacon in the morning.
We're probably going to have to ruin the grill.
So we're going to try to use the grill top.
Yeah, the grill lid.
That's like a wok. We'll see how that works. For future reference, we need to make a better list.
Yeah, we need to make a better list because we kind of came unprepared.
We'll see how the sleeping arrangement goes tonight. I'm curious. We should sleep good. I've slept in the truck several times. But we'll see.
Be careful. You might want to wear padded armor because I roll a lot.
I know.
A foot.
That's what's got me worried.
What, Dad?
That's what has me worried is you rolling over too much. We'll see. We'll see how it works. Well, early morning riding. So the camp fared pretty well last night. We slept pretty good. It's about 7:30. Tarp flapped a little bit in the wind last night, but everything worked out good. This is what we woke up to. Just some early morning ducks enjoying the peaceful lake. So we didn't film any last night because we were just enjoying, and it was nice, just me and him hanging out, me and Thomas. But that's the fire ring. It's pretty close to the camp. I mean, it's just walk down the step and you're right here. So we had a fire last night, listened to the water lap against the shore. It was a super peaceful time. We come up with some good ideas. Well, breakfast was a success. We had bacon and eggs, unconventionally made, but we had bacon and eggs. It's starting to thunder right now. Thomas is getting the last little bit of riding in, and I'm gonna break down camp. So here's a cool tip. If you go to Harbor Freight, they have these magnet hooks. We kind of thought we would do the tarp with those, but the wind was just too strong. But they make a great trash bag holder if you have a metal car. This works great. Just a little tip. What are we fixing to do?
Bike.
Bike? Around where?
Around the driveway.
We're just going to cruise and show everything off. Alright, let's get this show on the road, and it's going to be quick because then we got to leave because of the rain. Going to the right. Thomas. It's starting to rain. Let's go and turn around and go back, okay? Oh yeah, I can see it across the lake.
Oh, yeah.
Watch where you're going. Not too fast, okay, down the hill. Careful. So we're leaving. We got Thomas out here walking the final camp. Make sure we didn't leave any trash, any parts back. All right. So we left a good clean campsite. This is what we wanted to do. Wanted to leave it good and clean, right?
Yeah.
That way when we come back, they'll let us come back.
Also, we want to make sure we didn't leave anything. That's a big thing.
Right.
Don't throw your stuff all around. Have it in a compact, tight little space so
Yeah.
you don't leave anything.
Pack out what you pack in.
Yeah.
This is the last view from the truck. You can see it's starting to rain a little bit. There's some ducks out on the lake. This was lot 72. And of course, this is the first time me and Thomas have stayed here, but this was a really, really good spot. I enjoyed it.
I was about to get into the car for this, and I saw some blues. What the heck? Lunchroom.
Yeah. Last little nature visitor on our way out.
We just broke up the camp, got everything up. We're heading into town.
So we packed up camp and we are leaving Fairfield. We had a good time. I had a good time. Did you have a good time?
Yeah, it was definitely fun.
So your favorite part of the weekend, or it wasn't the weekend, it was the weekday. Favorite part of the trip?
Probably the biking.
Yeah, the bike ride was fun. We kind of got hit with a little bit of rain right there at the end, and then we had to super rush to get the bikes loaded in the back of the Suburban and taped up, which we really need to fix the doors on the rear doors so they don't leak, so I don't have to use duct tape every time.
But it was a fun time. I would definitely go.
Yeah, I'd like to go back again too.